deep-fried, grilled, or sautéed. Shrimp has always been a delicate seafood dish favored by culinary seekers all over the world. This has been proven as the world's demand for shrimp reached as much as 13 million tons in 2020. Meanwhile, Indonesia, which has 70% ocean, is one of the top 7 shrimp-producing countries in East Asia. From all regions, Cilacap, located in Central Java, with the longest coastline in the province, spreading as far as 200 kilometers, takes part in shrimp production by contributing 6,973 tons in 2020. Vaname shrimp has been growing rapidly in recent years. Not only does it have mouth-watering taste, but it also has better values than other shrimp as it is more resistant to disease, grow quicker, resistant to various environmental conditions, highly demanded, and shorter maintenance time per cycle, giving a plus point for Vaname shrimp entrepreneur. Based on the data in 2019, shrimp pond areas in Cilacap Regency were around 1,374 hectares, producing as much as 2,941 tons. Whereas in 2020, the shrimp ponds areas were enlarged to 1,966 hectares. These increased the production to reach 4,786 tons. Unfortunately, not all shrimp production was absorbed by the shrimp processing industry in the Regency. The capacity of the shrimp processing industry in Cilacap was around 1,500 tons per year in 2020. On the downside, there is a lack of shrimp seeds in the Regency. Hence, local entrepreneur needs to purchase the seeds from other regions, making production costs and the risk of failure even bigger. Also, the number of shrimps produced by local farmers is significantly bigger than the number of shrimps which can be processed by the processing factory due to limited capacity. With such rapid development, Cilacap Regency invites investors to participate in the development of Vaname shrimp industrial areas. With a total investment of 550 billion rupiah, hopefully, with the shrimp industrial area, it will improve shrimp's quality from time to time and also can act as a business partner for local farmers. It is expected that this project will benefit investors and develop the region's economy